Hi, good morning. Do you live here? Wait, you can't come in, bud. You might live here, but this is an Airbnb.
All right, so it's, what time?
It is 4:02.
4:02 on day number 1 in Milan. I woke up at 7 in my normal time and went downstairs and worked for a couple hours. And then I got cold and lonely. And I went back up and crawled into bed and slept.
We woke up at 1:20.
Wow.
And so by the time we showered and then did a little more work and got out, we just had coffee at like 3:45.
Yep.
And now our day is beginning.
So we had two nice, actually we had 2.5 cappuccinos. We split a third one. And Joellen had her first European shock of the day. She went to use the bathroom downstairs in this really cute little cafe. Nothing rustic about it or anything.
No, it looked really cute.
And what happened, Joellen?
There was a hole in the ground that I was supposed to squat over, apparently. And I'm in a jumpsuit, so that would be really impractical. So I washed my hands and we left.
And she told me afterwards because she obviously didn't want to make a stink about it.
Yeah. And it was kind of smelled like...
Oh, we don't need the details. That's enough.
Like somebody missed.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
We're on our way to have some fun.
Oh, look, we could take a bus.
Yep. But we don't know how. We don't know how to
pay for a bus, so we're walking 47 minutes.
Right. Or I'm going to find a taxi. All right. Well, we did it. I hailed a cab just like in my old New York days, and we got here safe and sound, right?
Yep. Very safe.
Yep.
Cerca di ritirare il freno un po' più.
Where did you go to school instead?
It's economics.
Oh.
Yeah, well, I'm a researcher, but I'm waiting for a position again. So it takes time. It takes time.
Buonasera. Ok?
Grazie.
Saluti a tutti. You from?
Arizona.
Arizona. Saluti a tutta l'America.
So this is our last day in Milan. We didn't get a lot of video here because I worked a lot. Joellen was in her photography workshop for the last couple of days. And this is the canal that runs all the way to where we're staying. And there's all these little cafes along here. And so it is 3 o'clock our time here, and we haven't had breakfast yet or lunch. So we're gonna go and get maybe share a pizza, because we have a reservation tonight at dinner. Dinner is 9:15 tonight. The one thing you learn while you're here is they eat very late. So their happy hour is 6 to 8. It's aperitivo, that's what they call it. And then dinner reservations are 8 o'clock and even up until midnight. It seems more popular to be at dinner, like 9 to 11 is the sweet spot, I think. So anyhow, just wanted to share that little bit so that we have some video while we're here. We're gonna probably take a little bit more as we go to a different spot in town. Look at this little garage. All right, that's it. What'd you say?
Oh, I guess you are video. Look
Yes.
at all the little locks.
Yeah.
Secondo te cosa dico? Sia al solarium o sia al lavoro?
Hello, Joe. Did you enjoy your lunch?
I love
Your-
it so much, I'm writing a review.
Your late lunch, as a matter
Very
of fact.
late lunch.
But it's okay because we're having a late dinner.
Yes, we are.
We had a great lunch. Oh, I needed that. Say goodbye. Where you going?
To Venice.
Venezia. Via the high-speed train. Ah.
I can see. Yes. Milan. Lovely. Now we're off to new spots.
New spots. What?
Under there, all I saw was cigarette market.
Milan.